Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start activity 5, that is sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Objective: sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Materials required for this activity are white chart papers, pair of scissors, adhesive or gum, geometry box, sketch pens. Prerequisite knowledge: polygon properties, complete angle. Theory: in geometry, a polygon is defined as a flat or plane, two-dimensional closed shape with straight sides. It does not have curved sides. Measurement of a complete angle is 360 degree. Polygons, a simple closed curve made up of only line segments, is called a polygons. So these are the figures of polygons. Then classification of polygons: it is classified according to the number of sides or vertices they have. So a polygon having 3 sides is known as a triangle. A polygon having 4 sides is a quadrilateral. A polygon having 5 sides is known as a pentagon. A polygon having 6 sides is known as a hexagon. Then a polygon having 7 sides is known as a heptagon. Polygon having 8 sides are octagon. Polygons having 9 sides are nonagon. And polygons having 10 sides are decagons. Like this. Then procedure for a triangle. So let us take the sum of the exterior angles for a triangle. Draw a triangle ABC on a white chart paper as shown in the figure. Draw its exterior angle 1, 2, 3 in one direction. Color its all the 3 exterior angles with different colors as shown in the figure. Cut these colored exterior angles and paste all these on another white chart paper by joining them at their edges. So as shown in figure, you have to join all the cut exterior angles, their vertices meet at one point. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 3 is equal to 360 degree. Then let us take a quadrilateral. What is the sum of exterior angles in case of a quadrilateral? Draw a quadrilateral ABCD on a white chart paper as shown in the figure. Draw its exterior angles 1, 2, 3 and 4 in one direction. Color its all 4 exterior angles with different colors as shown in the figure. Then cut these colored exterior angles and paste all these on another white chart paper by joining them at their edges. Here in figure all the exterior angles are joined. Their vertices meet at one point. So from this figure you can observe that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree as they form a complete angle. Observation: in both the cases, that is of the triangle and the quadrilateral, it is observed that and verified that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. In similar way, we may also verify that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon will be 360 degree. Here we have proved for a triangle and quadrilateral. You can prove it for pentagon, hexagon, heptagon like this. So for any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles is 360 degree. So it is verified that the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Thank you.